Tableau. So data blending Tableau, again, this is the more information. And this for your reference, like you can read it out later. So
Yeah.
few things are not supported, few things are not working. Like like data blending is generally based on the left table, and it's produce output. It doesn't support the cross database, and you can read it out yourself. The advantages and the disadvantages. So I try to cover like all the details in for the data blending. Like it is advantages, like it helps you for the more granular information, and you can play around the multiple sources of the data. Like if you have the same amount of data, same amount in the sense, same kind of fields, even some different fields can be added, but there should be one, the common field present in each data sources. So you can drive through that, and you can compare also. Now, if we talk about the data blending, what you renaming.
Yeah.
And after that, what we will do, we have a by default here, like the order sample superstore. So for data blending, we need data from multiple data sources, right? So we are going to add one more data source. Go to the data, click on that new data source. We can see, because I have only the Excel, so I am going to add another Excel data source. But if you have any other file, you can add another file also. So I have given the example, but tomorrow I will cover this data blending file 1 or data blending file 2. But for today, I will take like the another example, like World Bank indicators. So I added, you can see here, like it goes to the direct data source tab here. Okay.
Yeah.
So under the data source, you can see I can change the. So once we try to the country name here, you can see we can add, and it gives a warning.
Yeah.
In order to use fields from data by country, means World Bank indicators, a relationship needs to be created with order sample superstore. Select data, edit blend relationship to open the blend relationship dialog box. So even we have added multiple data sources, but to put on the single view, we need to establish the relationship between these two data sources, which is called as blending. Okay. So go to the data, and now we can see there's a one more values is appearing like under that, like a edit blend relationship. If we click over here, you can see blend relationship determine how data from secondary data sources are joined with the primary data source. So now we can see the primary data source is order table or order data source sample superstore, and the secondary data source is data by country, that is World Bank indicator.
Yeah.
Everything is clear?
If you wish to learn more about this course, visit www.edbhumi.com. Go to the courses offered and select the course as per your choice. Here, date and time will be selected by you as per your suitability. Thank you.